This pretty little waterfall and swimming hole is 5 minutes drive off the main road on the south coast of Savai'i, not far from Aganoa beach. It has to rank as one of the best, if not the best, of the many waterfalls in Samoa. But most of the time, you're likely to have this idyllic spot all to yourself, and you can even drive right up to it. If you do make the journey on foot through the coconut plantation and down a tricky bank, you're likely to be sweaty again afterwards, but it will certainly have been worth it. As usual, there's a small fee payable to the locals, and as usual, it's worth far more than the asking price.